Saif Ali Khan and Kareena Kapoor often come across as people who don't respect the Indian audience or Bollywood. They act like they're doing the country some favor by working in Hindi films and behave as if they are some superior foreign entity. It feels like they think Indian movies are inferior and are embarrassed by their roots. Even though Bollywood is a huge part of their lives and income, they don't seem as passionate about it as their parents were. Saif once talked about eugenics and implied his genes are superior to the average Indian. That statement shows how highly he thinks of himself, even though he's just 5 feet 7 and has a receding hairline. He clearly looks down upon others, and his dead expressions at the Kapil Sharma show like those are all lesser mortals is another proof. He does not have any respect to people whose views and appreciations earn him money, and instead behaves like he is God's gift to mankind. In a viral video, Kareena was chewing gum with her mouth open and casually asked about the PM's residence with a careless attitude.
How long is PM's residence? How long is PM's residence? How long is PM's residence?
Would she act this way in front of Obama or the British royal family? Probably not. This selective respect is insulting to the Indian audience. Even her aunt struggled to say Adarniya, showing a dismissive attitude toward Indian culture. Kareena has worked in Hindi movies for years but didn't know the difference between Nanad and Jethani on Coffee with Karan. Saif, too, was clueless about the word Putramu, and even his mom, Sharmila Tagore, looked embarrassed as it is a simple deduction of two fairly common words. This makes it seem like they don't take Indian culture or language seriously. Kareena once said, "Don't watch our films if you have such a problem," when asked about nepotism.
ना आप जा रहे हो ना फिल्म देखने तो मत जाओ. Nobody has forced you.
This feels disrespectful, especially since nepotism helped her career, even after weak performances like in Main Prem Ki Diwani Hu. Kareena follows a fan page about British royal kids and seems fascinated by Western features like light skin and blue eyes. Yet, she criticizes the media for obsessing over her son, Taimur. This double standard shows where her preferences lie. Both Saif and Kareena have admitted they don't watch Hindi movies anymore. On the Kapil Sharma show, Kareena didn't even know the famous Dabang hook step, even though she did an item number in the same movie. Saif often talks about Mughal and British history and culture but seems disconnected from Indian history. He named both his kids after invaders of India, which is like naming a child Adolf in Germany. When asked about Hindu names, he even ridiculed them. The Kapoor family, especially Saif and Kareena, act superior to others in Bollywood. For someone pretending to be so whitewashed, Kareena has the most limited and atrocious English vocabulary littered with crutch words, such as I mean, like, and yeah used in every other sentence. Saif and Kareena enjoy the perks of Bollywood but don't seem to respect the industry, culture, or audience that made them stars.